Okay, welcome. 2024 BMW 760 that has a misfire on multiple cylinders because these vehicles had problems with spark plugs. BMW came out with an update. In order to access these spark plugs, you have to remove the engine control module for bank one. These are the connectors, and once we got that out the way, we're able to access the ignition coils right here.
Came out with
Let's
an
get them
update
out.
less than a year later.
Less than a year later. All right, so we're moving. Spark plug cylinder number 1 is removed. Number 2 is removed. Still got 3 and 4 to go, plus 6, 7, and 8. But this here is a spark plug. It was actually loose. Doesn't look bad, but just loose. So now we got the 4 plugs and coils out of bank 1 on the passenger side. On the driver's side, we're working. Now how we access over here, we take our coolant reservoir bottle out the way, which is held by 2 screws. And then we move our engine control module out the way, which sits in this case, which is also held by 2 screws that sit on the side here.